Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a summer traveling life hacks video, and I'm seriously so excited because this video is sponsored by Best Fiends, and that honestly makes me so happy because I love Best Fiends so much. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe down below and get this video to 7,000 thumbs up for more traveling life hack videos, for my life hack videos in general. I do have more hack videos coming up soon, actually like next week very soon, so stay tuned and subscribe for that. And you guys, as I mentioned, this video is sponsored by Best Fiends. Best Fiends is a free puzzle adventure game where you can collect cute fiends and you can map the same colored objects to defeat the slugs. And you guys, in celebration of Mother's Day, Best Fiends is also celebrating Mother's Day in the game, which is so awesome. So you and your mom can grab the game together and play Best Fiends together. Personally, my mom and I love playing Best Fiends, and honestly, when I first told her about the game, she was addicted to it like instantly. So your mom is bound to love it. If your mom loves those puzzle matching games, she will love this game. Honestly, this game is addicting. I think it is the best thing ever. If you download the game down below with my link, you get $5 of free gold and diamonds for the game. The game is free to download and the link is down below. Go download it right now. It's seriously so much fun. And comment down below what level you guys are currently on, and because I want to know and I want to beat you guys and I want to compete in the comments to see who can be on the highest level of Best Fiends. I'm honestly curious to see who possibly has the highest level right now in the game. So comment down below what level you are on. I know you have Best Fiends, I know you do. I know one of you guys has Best Fiends already, and if not, the link is down below for free. Check it out, it's down below in the comment section. It's down below everywhere. It seriously is like best friends minus the R, it's Best Fiends. Let's hop right in to this summer traveling life hacks video. And yeah, this first summer travel life hack is honestly something that I have done for a very long time. If you are someone who is like me, you overpack and none of your outfits even somewhat match, like I do this all the time, it's a terrible idea, and I just spend a lot of time throwing stuff into a suitcase that doesn't even match. Don't do that. What you should do is you should take the time before you even leave for your trip, because once you are on your trip, it's important and really fun just to be able to be free in that moment and be totally like, you know what you're gonna wear for the whole week. You have everything planned out. What I do is I go through my outfits first. I take photos of myself in them. So I plan them all out and I get everything from the accessories, the shoes, you know, the sunglasses, the dress, like all the whole head to toe, A to T, the whole thing. And I get a photo of it on my iPhone, and I have a little folder in my iPhone photos where I keep all of my photos of outfits I want to wear for the week, and then I have everything down pat. And I even will do this for like extra outfits as well if I want to have some like extra things to swatch out. Then I know what I'm gonna wear, and then it's not a hassle. It's not a hassle in the morning, and I know it already fits. I know how to accessorize it, and I think it's like perfect, honestly. Especially for those like Instagrams, you know, you want to have all the cute outfits. You don't want to have a day where your outfit's not cute because then your Instagram pictures aren't cute. I mean, priorities this summer for me are to have a cute Instagram, and also just why not? So yeah. Okay, this second summer travel life hack is something I'm sure you guys have heard about before, but you need to start rolling your clothes. This is something that I didn't even do this trip. I'm currently in LA actually. I'm doing a little bit of apartment hunting, and I'm doing some just like fun with my friends and traveling around the city and just doing like Instagram stuff. And I brought so much clothes, but I didn't roll my clothes, which is annoying because now I have like 48 pounds of clothes that are just thrown in one giant suitcase. I have to like sit on the clothes. Don't do that. Start rolling your clothes up. It makes everything so much better. You will have wrinkle-free clothes. Wrinkle-free is huge if you're traveling and you want to get cute photos together with your friends or just not have like wrinkly outfits. I mean, come on. This next travel life hack is so smart. If you are someone that wears a lot of jewelry, go to the nearest like drugstore, Walgreens, CVS, whatever you have near you, and pick up one of those pill dividers that has Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, has all the days of the week on it. You can organize your jewelry if you want to set it up by day, if you want to coordinate your, you know, #1 travel life hack by having your outfit photo with the day of the week, and then have like your accessories in that pill container. That's genius, I think. And also to not have to worry about everything getting tangled together is amazing, and it just fits really nicely and you have everything organized. To me, being organized when I'm traveling is huge. If I feel organized when I'm traveling the whole time, I'm productive. I wear all of my clothing like for me, like as a YouTuber, as like an Instagram person, I guess I want to say, it's important for me that I get all of my clothing like set. I have, you know, Monday is this ring, Tuesday is this necklace. Like, it just makes sense, and organization is the best thing ever. Comment down below if you feel like you're more type A or type B personality, if you're more like flexible on, you know, if you're more chill on being organized, or if you're more like you are always organized. Oh my gosh. Comment down below if you are organized or you are lazy and not as organized. I love being organized. It's like my brain can only think when I'm organized. This next travel life hack is seriously genius. If you want to stop having your makeup compacts break while you are on vacation, whenever I go somewhere, I swear my compacts will just break somehow. Like, and I think I'm generally good about packing, but I guess not. So what I'm gonna start doing is going to the store and purchasing those cotton rounds or cotton balls and putting them inside of my compacts, because it'll make it so there's a barrier for resistance for if like it falls on the ground, or, you know, TSA isn't that careful, which they honestly never are. No tea, no shade, but honestly creating that extra barrier of resistance so there's not as much of like a barrier between, it'll create a barrier between the compact lid and the actual compact from breaking, which will just save your life and honestly save a lot of money. You can definitely fix that compact. If I should do a makeup life hack video about how to fix stuff like that when compacts break, or just like makeup hacks and stuff, comment down below. I love doing life hack videos so much, and if you want to see a video, comment down below. I would love to do it. Okay. This next travel life hack is to put your shoes into a shower cap when you are traveling. Now, it's kind of gross to think about. I don't know who I was watching. I think I was watching like Monica Church's, like one of her vlogs, and she was talking about how gross it actually is to think about literally putting your shoes with your clothing, like putting your nasty shoes that you, like the bottom of your shoe that you walk around the world in with clean clothing, like kind of gross. So go pick up a shower cap. So I don't know about you guys, but this next travel life hack will save your life, because when you are traveling, maybe it's just me, but like I feel like my clothing just gets like smelly kind of fast. Like if I put in like, I mean, it kind of makes sense because if you put like one thing in your clean clothing, it's gonna make it smell weird. So stop doing that. Start keeping dryer sheets in the little plastic bag before you leave your house. And as you go out on your vacation, you can take those dryer sheets and put them on your clothing, in your suitcase. Like honestly, even just like want to rub it over the fabric to freshen it up a little bit, it'll make a huge difference. And clean clothes versus dirty clothes, way better. And I also, a little like side, like a part B of that life hack is to bring plastic bags with you as you go out your vacation, to put your dirty clothes into a plastic bag to separate them physically and like smelly from your clean clothes, because otherwise you're gonna have just one giant, you know, smelly suitcase. Otherwise, when you could have just had like, you know, a separation going on in the beginning. So keep yourself organized when you're traveling. It's gonna make the best difference. And this summer, when you are a little bit like, you know, it's hot in the summer, it's a little sweaty, your clothing might smell a little interesting. So yeah. This next travel life hack is to put your razor into a binder clip. You don't even know how many times I have cut myself on my razor, because I will just throw my hand into my bathroom bag and I just slice my hands up from my razor. So stop doing that. Stop throwing stuff into random bags, literally at myself. I need to stop doing that all the time. It's terrible. And start putting your razor on, like, into a binder clip and just securing the blade from touching your hand. It'll save your life, honestly. And just, you know, some Band-Aids, it'll just save some blood. Not to be morbid, but like, it will. This next travel life hack is one that you all need to start doing. This is something that I get lazy when I do. Stop being lazy, Nicole, because it will save your life in the end while you are traveling. Before you leave to go on vacation, it is seriously so smart if you saran wrap. If you take off the cap of like a lotion bottle and you put saran wrap on like the part, like the top of the bottle, and then you recap it with the saran wrap already as like a liner, then it won't explode, and it'll just like, it'll add an extra layer of, you know, protection for your lotions or your shampoos or all that stuff from exploding, which is gonna save your freaking life in the end, I guarantee you. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If I should do more life hack videos in general, comment down below. I am planning on doing a summer life hack video really soon, really just about summer everything. It's actually a collab video, so get hyped for that, and comment down below who you think that video will be collabing. I'll be collabing with in that video. If you have any suspicions, comment down below. And I will also link down below Best Fiends. Thank you again to them for sponsoring this video. It was so much fun to work with them. I love Best Fiends so much. And I will have the free download link. That's right, the free download link. It's free. It's linked down below. You get a $5 credit if you use the link right down below of free $5 worth of coins and diamonds for the gameplay. And if you want to play this game with your mom on Mother's Day, with your mom by your side, without your mom, comment down below what you guys are doing with the game and who you're playing it with. And yeah, love you guys so much. I'll see you with a new video very soon. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys really soon, and yeah, bye. I'll see you soon.